So the first thing we're going to do is to cook our meat. I cut the meat into thin strips, so we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes until it's completely tender. So we're going to add your seasoning, curry powder, your thyme, then you're going to add some nutmeg and some all-purpose seasoning. So basically just add any seasoning that you use, but these are the seasoning that I use and it came out perfectly. So I added a little bit of stock cubes. So I used the chicken stock cubes, so I added just a little bit. So for the whole recipe I use 1 stock cube for everything, so that's half of the stock cube right there. So you're going to cover and cook and let it cook. So as it's cooking, it's going to produce more water. So because of the meat that I'm using is very hard, so I added a little bit of water to it. So you're going to leave it to dry completely. Then I added some suya spice. Like, don't skip this suya spice. It takes this dish to another level. Like, it's so good. So when you add the suya spice, you're just going to mix it to the beef. Then you're going to take it out, add some oil. So at this point, this is the time we're going to make the stew for the spaghetti. So I added some curry powder and a little bit, so half of the nut cube and my all-purpose seasoning. So you can use any seasoning of your choice, but this is the one that I use. Okay, so then I added the onion and pepper, garlic and ginger mix. So that's the one right there. Then I added some tomato sauce. So the tomato sauce that I used was the Prego tomato sauce. So that's the one I used for the spaghetti. So you're going to cook this for about a minute. Blended crayfish. Then I added my turkey stock. So you can add chicken stock, meat stock, whichever stock that you have, you can add it to it. Then I added a little bit of water, although I didn't show it here. So I added a little bit of water because I didn't parboil my spaghetti. I don't like parboiling it, so I added a bit of water plus the chicken stock, and I'll allow it to boil for a minute before I start adding the spaghetti in it. So for the spaghetti I use the thin pasta, like the one that looks like it looks like noodles. It's not like as fat as the regular pasta, but this one is very thin, so this cook quickly. So that's why I didn't parboil my spaghetti. So when you use this one, you know what I'm talking about. So just add a bit of water. Don't allow the water to be too much because you don't want your spaghetti to start sticking when it's fully cooked. So you're going to cook this for about 20 minutes as well on a low heat. Then after 20 minutes, that's how it looks like. Look at it, it's so good. So at this point, I'm going to add my beef, like the suya beef. So I call it suya beef because before adding it, I've already started eating the whole of the beef. Like I just put one in my mouth to taste, and it was so good, so I started eating it. So that's how good it was, guys. So you're going to let it steam for another 1 minute. Then you're going to add your bell pepper. So you can add bell peppers at this time and your dish is ready. You don't need the bell pepper to cook, just add it, stir your pasta, and it's ready, guys. This dish was delicious. Like, I'm serious, it was so good. I'm not kidding right now. It was so good, guys. Make sure you try it out. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And I'll see you guys